Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best air fryers on the market, the Ninja Foodi 10 Quart 6-in-1 DualZone XL air fryer. If you're tired of the back and forth cooking sessions with a single basket fryer, the Ninja Foodi has got you covered. This revolutionary product is designed to make meal prep easier, faster, and more efficient for families and food enthusiasts alike. Let's talk about what makes this air fryer stand out. First off, the Ninja Foodi 10 Quart DualZone XL air fryer features two independent baskets, meaning you can cook two different foods at the same time, in two different ways. Whether you're frying, baking, broiling, or even dehydrating, this air fryer allows you to tackle two meals in a fraction of the time it would take with a traditional single basket fryer. The key to this multitasking ability is the DualZone technology. This feature offers two main modes: Match Cook and Smart Finish. Match Cook is perfect for when you want to synchronize cooking across both baskets, ensuring a full meal in the entire 10 quart capacity. If you're making something like a large batch of wings and fries, you can set them to cook at the same time without worrying about uneven results. On the other hand, the Smart Finish feature lets you cook two foods that need different temperatures or cooking times, and it makes sure both are done at the exact same moment. So, no more waiting for one dish to finish before starting the next. One of the standout features of this fryer is its IQ Boost technology. This optimally distributes power across both baskets, ensuring that even a 6-pound chicken cooks quickly and evenly. With its cyclonic fans and rapid heaters, the Ninja Foodi guarantees crispiness and flavor with every meal. The 6-in-1 functionality is another reason why this product is a top pick for busy families. You can use it to air fry, broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, all with a touch of a button. Plus, it's got a large 10 quart capacity, meaning you can cook up to 8 pounds of chicken wings in one go. Whether you're preparing a dinner for the whole family or just want a quick snack, this air fryer has the space to handle it. Now, when it comes to cleaning, the Ninja Foodi makes it as simple as possible. The baskets and crisper plates are dishwasher safe, so you don't have to spend time scrubbing after each use. Just pop them in the dishwasher, and you're good to go. In terms of design, this air fryer has a sleek gray exterior with a modern look that will blend perfectly with any kitchen. It's compact enough to fit on your countertop but large enough to cook for a crowd. The intuitive controls make it easy to set the perfect cooking time and temperature, and with the large digital display, you can see everything at a glance. To sum it up, the Ninja Foodi 10 Quart 6-in-1 DualZone XL air fryer is truly a game changer. Whether you're looking to speed up dinner prep or make a variety of meals at the same time, this air fryer offers versatility, power, and ease of use that will take your cooking to the next level. If you want to make cooking easier, faster, and more efficient, this is definitely a product to consider. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews.